Do you realize Wall Street is whispering about a $16 trillion AI stock boom, but at the same time, some experts are warning this could be the next big crash? The truth is, fortunes are being made right now, and if you're not watching closely, you might miss the biggest financial opportunity of the decade. Or get caught in the wipeout. Here's what you need to know. In the past year, artificial intelligence has gone from experimental to essential. What started with chatbots like ChatGPT has now transformed into an industry that's reshaping healthcare, finance, defense, and nearly every sector of the economy. And with every breakthrough, investors are throwing billions of dollars at AI-linked companies. The result? Trillions in market value added in record time. Just take Nvidia. In 2023, it became the face of the AI boom, skyrocketing to $1 trillion valuation faster than any company in history. By 2024, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon had poured billions into AI infrastructure. And now, in 2025, the growth isn't slowing, it's accelerating. Some analysts believe AI could add over $16 trillion to global GDP in the coming years. That's larger than the economies of China and India combined. But here's the catch, every boom in history feels unstoppable right before it hits a wall. The dot-com bubble in the late 90s had companies with no profits being valued in the billions. The housing bubble in 2008 looked safe until it collapsed the global economy. And crypto, remember how Bitcoin hit $69,000 before crashing? The pattern is always the same, a groundbreaking technology, sky-high optimism, and a rush of investors chasing life-changing wealth.
So is AI the exception, or is history about to repeat itself? Right now, we're seeing two powerful forces collide. On one hand, the adoption of AI is undeniable. Hospitals are using AI for early disease detection. Banks are using AI to predict markets. Governments are using AI for defense. Every breakthrough is driving revenue, creating new industries, and pushing stocks to all-time highs. On the other hand, valuations are climbing at dangerous speeds. Some AI startups with little to no revenue are being valued in the billions, simply because they have AI in their name. Hedge funds are warning of froth. Economists are pointing out that no industry can expand this fast without risks of correction, but at the same time, ignoring this wave completely could be one of the costliest mistakes of your life. Imagine dismissing the internet in 1995. Imagine ignoring Apple stock in 2007 when the iPhone launched. Imagine selling Bitcoin at $1,000 thinking the boom was over. The truth is, AI is not slowing down, it's embedding itself into every part of modern life. The financial opportunities are massive, but so are the risks, so the real question is, how do you know if you're early, late, or already on the wrong side of history? Right now, institutional investors are building funds exclusively around AI, venture capital firms are raising billions for AI startups. Even governments are creating policies to capture AI growth. This isn't just hype. The infrastructure is being built, and money is moving in at record speed. The fear of missing out is very real, and so is the risk of getting crushed. Here's where FOMO kicks in. Every single day you hesitate, AI stocks climb higher. Every breakthrough headline adds fuel to the fire. And every investor who waits for the right time ends up watching the window close in front of their eyes. That's the harsh reality of financial revolutions. They don't wait. But here's the truth most people don't want to hear, you don't get clarity until it's too late. If this really is a $16 trillion boom, the chance to get in cheap is almost gone. If it's the next crash, the warning signs will only be clear after millions of investors have already lost everything. That's why timing, knowledge, and strategy matter more than anything. So where does that leave you today? On the sidelines, watching history happen to other people? Or inside the game, where fortunes are being made and lost every single day? Because one thing is certain, whether this is the greatest boom of our lifetime or the next bubble ready to burst, sitting still guarantees you nothing. The world is moving fast, and every hesitation means someone else is taking the spot you could have had. So ask yourself right now, are you going to watch this moment pass by, or are you going to adapt, learn, and maybe even seize the opportunity before it's too late? Because history doesn't wait. And neither does money. Subscribe to be smart with your money.